Alright, grade 6. Let's practice some of our long division. And for homework this week, you'll be going to Khan Academy to watch some videos to see someone's different view or just to hear someone explain it another way so that you can see just how else you can practice long division. So let's try for our check-in today. Let's do 36 divided by 752. Let's try 54 divided by 924. And let's try 85. This is going to be a challenging one. 85 divided by 1,298. So these are your three questions. Please work in your math on a math sheet or in your math journal to work on these questions, and once you are done you can press play on the video, put your answers in, press play on the video, and you can check all your own answers to see if you're right. Okay? So pause now and work on those questions. Thanks. Alright, I hope you paused the video, and now it's time to check our answers. So you may have worked in a different way to get to the answer, but hopefully you got the same answers I do. So 36 into 294, and again my theory is working with friendly numbers that I'm going to put on this side. So again I'm thinking about a 10. I just love using 10s because it's so easy to just move the 0 to the back. So 36 times 10, oh no, it's 360, so I can't use a 10. Oh no, so now I have to try and find a different number that I could use. Okay, well how about a 5? I could do 36 times 5. So I know it's 360 if it's a 10, so I could use half of that. Half of 360, let's see. So 5 times 36. 5 times 6 is 30. 5, 15, 18, that's right. So 180 if I use a 5. Awesome. So I know I've used a 5. The 10 didn't work, which is disappointing. And now I subtract. 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So I have 114. So I know a 5 is not going to work. Maybe a 3. I know 30 times 3 is 90, so it'll be close. Let's try a 3. So 36 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. 108. Hey, that works great. So 108. And I'm subtracting again. 14 minus 8 is 6. And that's my remainder because 36 doesn't fit into 6. So I do 5 plus 3 is 8. So my answer is 8 with a remainder of 6. Hopefully you got that. Let's try the next one. Next question we asked was 54 divided by 924. And I'm going to use friendly numbers, so I'll make sure I'm adding on that side. And I know that, hey, I know I can use a 10 this time. So I just do 54 times 10 is 540. Love using the easy numbers. 540. And I subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. I have to borrow, so I make that an 8, and I make that a 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 3, so now I have 384. Alright, well I'm going to try and use a 5, let's say. Let's try a 5. It's easy to multiply. So 5 times 54. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25, plus the 2 is 27. Hey, that works, 270. Awesome. So let's subtract again. 4 minus 0 is 4. 8 minus 1, or 8 minus 7 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 2. I have 114. Alright, so now I'm in a great place. I know that 2 is probably going to be my jam because 54 plus 54 is 108. So I have two groups, so I'll do 108. I don't even have to multiply. 14 minus 8 is 6, and I have a remainder of 6, just like the last one. So my remainder is 6. Let's add these up. 5 plus 2 plus 0 is 7. plus 1 is 17. So my answer is 17, remainder 6. Alright, and let's work our way through the last problem. Let's go through it. Alright, so the last problem was our challenging one. 85 divided by 1,298. Apologies for the messy writing. Alright, so let's continue to work with our friendly numbers. And again, I'm going to just go with the simple 10 because it's easy. I can subtract 850. Remember, 85 times 10. I just put the 0 at the back, and that works fine. 8 minus, so I'll put my subtraction symbol. 8 minus 0 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 12 minus 8 is 4. So now I have 448. I know that half of 850 is 425, so a 5 won't work. So a 5 will work. Perfect. So I'll use half of that, which I know that half of 10 is 5, so half of 850 is 425, so that was easy for me. I'm going to subtract. So when I'm doing this, I'm always thinking, well, how can I make this easy on myself? What do I know for sure? And then I can go. 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. 85 doesn't fit into 23, so that's my remainder. I add up my answer, which is 15. So my answer up on the top is 15, remainder 3, 23. Alright, hopefully you got all those right, and if not, come find me and we will do some extra math practice. I'll be at the back of the room helping people out. Okay, great.